This is how we go for a walk. We're the cleanup crew. Gypsy has a plastic bottle and Velcro wants it. And we're trying to go for a walk, but we keep playing with the bottle. Let's go for a walk. Going for a walk. Let's go. Oh, that's a motorcycle. Yeah. Let's go for a walk. Gypsy. Come on, girls. Come on, let's go. Gypsy. Gypsy still has the bottle. Ah, she dropped it, but she's got it again. Let's go for a walk. Come on. Oh, Velcro has the bottle now. Gypsy's gonna get it. Gypsy is determined to get the bottle from her sister. She's got it. Gypsy has the bottle. Yeah. Haha. Yeah. Girls. Yeah, you still got the bottle. Jippers. Come on. We're going for a walk. Girls, let's go for a walk. Gypsy still has the bottle. This is our second walk today. We already did a 2.5-mile hike and went swimming this morning, but now we're out for another walk in the evening because we have too much energy. And this doesn't seem to be enough. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. Hey, girls, let's go. Let's go home. Gypsy. Come here, get out of the street. Come on, wild dogs. Come on, wild dogs, let's go. Hey, out of the street. Okay, that's enough. Oh, Gypsy, you are amazing. She plays hockey with the bottle. Come on, let's go. Let's walk. Let's walk. Let's go home. Come on. Playing plastic bottle hockey on the sidewalk. This takes extraordinary agility and coordination by Mom. You want to go home? Who wants to walk? You want to go for a walk? Let's go for a walk. Come on, let's go. Oh, she forgot about the bottle. How about that? Oh, you just remembered it. Get your sister. Yeah. She's got her sister's leash. Gypsy is walking her sister by the leash. Good girls. Go home.